Today we're back at it again with another OST playthrough, and this time is for OST 7 to celebrate Beat Saber's anniversary. But this OST has some serious bangers. We've got some Camellia, we've got some Boom Kitty, we've got some Lindsay Sterling, we've got some Nitro Fun. I'm excited for this music, and as per usual, this is my first time playing and reacting to the OST, and I can't leave VR until I beat it. I've heard some mixed reactions about this OST, so let's dive in. Damage by Fool, let's go. Ooh, whoa, okay. Give me a break to even check out the environment. Holy moly. Ooh. Ooh. These colors are cool. And the lighting, damn. Ooh, that was interesting. It was like a 3-block jump. Oh my god. Okay. I've got to concentrate on this. Holy crap. Damn, what a bop. Holy crap. What is, holy, that is. Full concentration for this OST, I think. Oh my god. Oh, I almost failed. Oh, I like this. Damn, what a bop. That was cool. Hey. Whoa! Yeah, that's cool. Oh, you see that circle thing? That looks awesome. Yeah. So far, I'm loving it. I just want to dance more, but I need to concentrate. That's hard. Whoops. Okay, fast forward to the bit where I failed. Oh, I think that's the bit I failed. Yeah, OST 7! Look, that was really fun. Okay, that was Damage Full and Expert Plus A rank. We'll get those numbers up. They're rookie numbers. All right, Camellia, what do you got? Holy bro, this sounds hard. Crap. Whew. Okay, I'm nervous. This is funky. Holy balls. Holy. Duck. Oh my god, that was a bad duck. Oh my gosh. Oh. Okay, it's fine. We can do this. All right, no dancing, Nay. Stop dancing. Stop it. Stop dancing. Just be still. Oh boy, that was bad. It's not hard. God damn it, it wasn't. This is gonna be another one of those songs where I can't beat it. Sugar, honey, ice, and tea. Magic! It's not hard. Losing it. It's not hard. Sugar! Like when you mess up, you start to panic and do worse. No! Oh, why do I keep doing that? I said a swear. Whoops, that was the first swear. This is gonna be a long day. We're gonna do the other songs and come back to this. I'm getting cranky. Let's do The Master by Teminite and Boom Kitty. Love some Boom Kitty music. Oh, I just missed the first note. It's like marching music. Ooh, very dramatic. What is this? It's like Mission Impossible music. The mapping of this is really wide.
You are, it seems, one with many skills. What a rare combination.
This is fun.
Alas, your abilities are no match for me. Master!
Holy. So wide.
Is that all you got?
Oh my god. I'm playing terribly. Ooh, that's fun.
You do this?
Oh my gosh. Why am I missing so many?
Impressive.
This one's fun.
You've come farther than most. But there's something you need to know.
Oh boy.
I always get the last laugh.
This is fun. Oh my god. I lost it.
Spice things up, shall we?
World Wide Web by Nitro Fun. Oh, sugar. So fun. Balls. Said I wouldn't swear. It's currently 12 p.m. I started this at 9:30 a.m. I won't let this beat me! So this is some bullshit! If I can do Rushy, if I can do Spin Eternally, I can do this stupid song. Hard bit's coming up. I can do it! Mother truck! Having a break. I'm done. I don't know what to do. I want to release this video tomorrow. Should I just do it on an expert or do I spend another day? I don't know. I don't know. I feel like I'm letting you guys down. Okay, A, I want to get this video out tomorrow. I don't know if I can pass it today. B, I've been dealing with some really bad neck issues. I don't want to make it worse. C, I'm just getting lethargic and frustrated. I don't want to let you guys down. I don't know. I don't know. What time is it? I've been at this for 4 hours. 4 hours. 4 hours. All right, we're doing an expert. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. I don't want to hurt myself. I don't know. Oh, it's so much easier. boy. Okay, I beat that one. But I feel like I failed you. I feel like I let you guys down. Maybe we'll save it for another video. Oh, I feel so sad. There we go. That is OST 7. I absolutely loved it. I think, was it the Master? Didn't love the mapping in that one, but it's still really, really fun. Web by Web, that was so fun. Untamed, Lizzie Sterling, so much fun. Damage, so much fun. Luster. It was good hard. It was good hard, if that makes sense. So that was painful. That was really painful. OST was really, really awesome. Thank you, Beat Saber, for providing this fun music for us. Don't forget to subscribe and catch my live streams on Friday night and join the Discord if you want to come hang out. And if you watched the whole video, don't forget to write banana in the comments. Bye!